Combine the dried ingredients into a bowl. Mix in yeast and then add the butter. Same time, lightly grease the baking pan and a separate bowl like this. Use your fingers. Work. Alright then, walk the butter in the flour mixture like this. Add water. Next time, warm the water 110 degrees Fahrenheit and then mix the yeast in it. Now knead the dough 5 to 8 minutes. Do this. Next, put the dough in the greased bowl. Cover it. Allow 25 minutes. Next, knead the risen dough on a floured surface for 8 to 15 minutes. Put it in the same greased bowl for 25 to 35 minutes. After time, knead it some more for a while. Press the dough flat on a floured surface. Roll the dough flat like this and then form a log. Do this. Put it in the baking pan like this. Allow proofing 40 minutes in a dry area. Make sure the dough rose like this. Bake in preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 18 to 25 minutes. This is Hardo bread. Make an egg sandwich. Get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.